Big announcement coming in by Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa. He has said that by the time he reaches Bengaluru from Belagavi, he should get the information from Delhi. Based on that, he's going to be taking a decision. He says that's a big breaking news coming in. Is this a hint that is being dropped by B.S. Yediyurappa on the exit or not? We'll get a reporter to tell us more about that. Meanwhile, you've got on the other side Lingayat and other mats holding a convention in Bengaluru to throw their weight behind B.S. Yediyurappa. All right, so we have to wait for the confirmation to come in from Delhi as far as the BJP High Command is concerned vis-a-vis B.S. Yediyurappa, and that is the big hint that he has dropped at the moment. All of this happening while the Lingayat seers are holding a meeting in Bengaluru. They are throwing their might and weight behind B.S. Yediyurappa. So the hint coming in right there clearly. If we've got a reporter with us, let's go straight across to him to get us more on this particular story. Whenever we have a reporter, we will get you the reporter on this particular story. But this is a big announcement coming in by B.S. Yediyurappa. In fact, we're getting a reaction. Take a look.
ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಗಳು ಒಂದು ಸಭೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಸಮಾವೇಶ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಾಗ್ತವೆ?
ಅದೇನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳ ಈ ಥರ ಸಭೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಡ್ಡಾ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇದೆ. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಸರ್, ದಲಿತ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸಹ ಯಾರು ದಲಿತ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ?
ಅದು ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡು ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಾದು ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
It's a big hint being dropped by B.S. Yediyurappa at this point of time. Our reporter will join us to bring our viewers up to speed as far as this development is concerned. It is a big development coming in because he says that by the time he reaches Bengaluru from Belagavi, he should get some information from Delhi. So he's hinting at the High Command dropping information today itself. He says based on that, he's going to be taking a decision going forward. Lingayat and other mats are, of course, as you saw, holding a convention. They're throwing their might and weight behind B.S. Yediyurappa. So let's see what information he gets from Delhi. Until then, he can't take a decision is what we are picking up at the moment. ब्राह्मण स्वामी जी लिंगायत
यहाँ पर इकट्ठा हुआ है, सबका भला चाहते हैं। यहाँ देश का यहाँ पर आर्थिक परिस्थिति और पैंडेमिक बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा है। अब तक ये पैंडेमिक के लिए क्या करना है, कुछ करना है कि नहीं, सब नहीं सोच रहे हैं। सब लोग अपना अपना बारे में सोच रहे हैं। सब लोग अपने हित के बारे में सोच रहे हैं। जगत के बारे में, राज्य के बारे में, देश के बारे में कोई नहीं सोच रहे। इसलिए यहाँ पर स्वामी जी सब इकट्ठे होकर हम लोग एक तीर्मान पर आना है। सब लोग कोई भी राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री बने, कोई भी राज्य के प्रधानमंत्री बने, सबका हित चाहने वाला अच्छा रहना है और लोग बचना है। आजकल बहुत सारा बारिश हो रहा है यहाँ पर, उसमें से कुछ लोग जा रहे हैं, कुछ लोग बच नहीं सकते। कितना प्राणी पक्षी जा रहा है। सब लोगों का भला चाहने के लिए हम लोग सब एक मठाधिपति सब एक जगह पर इकट्ठे होकर सब लोगों का भला के लिए भगवान का प्रार्थना करके शिव जी का अनुग्रह चाहते हैं।
आपको लगता है कि आपका ये सम्मेलन जो है वो येदियुरप्पा जी की कुर्सी बचा सकता है?
So B.S. Yediyurappa going on there to say that he's going to be deciding after the High Command order. He is waiting for the BJP High Command to give him an order, and he feels that by the time he reaches Bengaluru from Belagavi, he will get some sort of an information from Delhi. Based on that information that trickles in from Delhi, he's going to be taking a concrete decision. Questions arising on whether the exit that we've all been speaking about is going to be happening today itself or not. But from what he's hinting, it looks like the exit might just happen today. But this is all speculative for now, because he's also dropped a hint at the moment and not said anything concrete, since he's waiting for a decision coming in from the BJP High Command in Delhi. The Lingayat seers are all rallying behind B.S. Yediyurappa. They've thrown their might behind him. They're holding a meeting. They want Yediyurappa to stay in power. They are the Lingayats and other mutts too, in fact, are holding a convention in Bengaluru. They want to throw their weight behind B.S. Yediyurappa. So there's going to be a high-level drama that's going to pan out in Bengaluru today if the exit happens today. But Nolan is joining us for the very latest. Nolan, very, very speculative at this stage. It's a hint that has been dropped by B.S. Yediyurappa, but one can't say for sure whether the exit that we've all been speaking about is going to be happening today or not. Because as B.S. Yediyurappa says, he's waiting for some sort of instructions and orders to come in from the BJP High Command, and he's expecting that to happen anytime soon.
Very true. In fact, as of now, the Chief Minister is in Belagavi overseeing the flood relief operations which are going on over there. Now, he spoke very clearly stating that as of now, he has not received any sort of instructions, but he hopes to get it during the later part of the day. 5 o'clock is what we are told that he will arrive, 5:30 in the evening over here. That is when he says that he will inform us if he gets any sort of information. However, what is happening as of now in my background, let me just show you, is a Lingayat Swamiji's or Seers convention. Now about 200 or 300 of Swamijis from different matas spread across the state have all come over here to the palace grounds. Now, they have actually been speaking about the contribution that Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has done and given them, the support that he has given them, the amount of money that he has actually provided for all these matas to grow and help, and they in turn to help the other people in the rural areas. Hence, in fact, we have actually spoken to some of them. They have very clearly stated that the BJP should not remove B.S. Yediyurappa as the Chief Minister, not now. Let him complete his term. We are talking about an impending third wave. You're talking about the flood situation. The BJP should not remove him. This is the basic issue, the crux of the issue which is going on over here. All of them talking about their contributions. But Chaiti will have to wait till this evening. Once B.S. Yediyurappa receives information, then only we will know whether or not he'll be resigning today.
All right, Nolan Pinto is joining us for the very latest details on this particular story. This is a big hint coming in on Yexit, perhaps likely today, if the BJP top leadership passes on that information to B.S. Yediyurappa. B.S. Yediyurappa himself says that his future depends on what Delhi High Command has to say, and he is going to be hearing from the High Command very soon is what he says, and he will take an appropriate decision. By the time he reaches Bengaluru, he says, he's at the moment at Belagavi, as Nolan was just telling us, and by the time he reaches, he will know what the decision really is. If the exit has to happen today, expect high drama. The Lingayats have put their might behind B.S. Yediyurappa. Other mutts too have put their might. Just in case the exit just happened, let's also walk you through who the probable contenders in the fray are as far as the chief ministerial candidate for Karnataka is concerned. From the Lingayat community, you've got Murugesh Nirani. He's a cabinet minister. He's one probable successor. Other contenders in the fray, you've got Basangauda Yatnal. He's a present cabinet minister. Again, he comes from the Lingayat fraternity. Then you've got him, who's Basavaraj Bommai. He's a BJP MLA, again from the Lingayat fraternity. We have some non-Lingayat contenders in the fray as well. You could call them rank outsiders for the moment, but from the other communities, you've got C.N. Ashwath Narayan. He's the Vokalika community present deputy chief minister. He is one contender in the fray to watch out for. Then you've got two more. In fact, let's bring those up on your screens right now. Prahlad Joshi, Brahmin community. He's a present union minister, and he's a probable contender to be the chief minister. Sunil Kumar, IDIGA, OBC community, present government chief whip, and core RSS. He's one other contender who is in the running to become the chief minister of Karnataka. In case the exit happens today, there's going to be high level of drama. We're getting some more breaking news coming in. We'll have to cut straight across to it.